P3. Just re-leveled. We all know this elevator. This is the parking elevator at the Macy's, Center City, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. G. We're gonna send it up to G once we get to P3. Pineapple refresher from Starbucks, really good.
Parking level P3 going up.
Let's get out for a bit and look around. Here's the parking garage of Macy's. I don't want to get any license plates on camera, but as you can see, it has a speed limit of 5 miles an hour. There's another elevator sign. Here's a map of the garage. Take ticket with you and pay at pay station in P1 or P2, south elevator lobby. Let's call it back down. This was the Wanamaker's flagship, converted to HECHT'S in '95. Originally planned to be a Lord & Taylor in 1997. It was very briefly Strawbridge's although it was a Strawbridge's very briefly in 1997, before Lord & Taylor, and then it's been Macy since 2006. That beep was my phone, and it's coming down now. Here it is. L. Get a cab view. This is in the Wanamaker building. This was originally a Dover modded by Kone. And that's gonna be it.
Going up.
Going up?
Yeah.
What floor?
Oh, that's perfect.
Lobby going down.
Have a good day.
Thank you, you too.
And this opens right near an employee desk. I'm gonna send it to P3. And that's it.